If you are looking to automate tasks and workflows, you have probably come across Google Workspace Studio and n8n. Both tools help automate repetitive work, but they are built for very different types of users. In this video, I'll quickly compare the features, ease of use, integrations, and pricing so you can decide which one is right for you. What is Google Workspace Studio? First, Google Workspace Studio. This is a new automation tool inside Google Workspace that lets you build AI-powered workflows using simple instructions. And instead of coding, you just describe what you need and what you want automated, and the system creates an AI agent to handle it. It works directly with apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Calendar, allowing teams to automate things like email responses, reminders, and document updates. Best for Google Workspace users, beginners who want simple automation, teams that rely heavily on Google Apps. What is n8n? Now let's talk about n8n. n8n is an open source workflow automation platform designed for developers and technical users. It allows you to create complex automation workflows by connecting hundreds of apps and APIs. Unlike many automation tools, you can self-host it on your own server, giving you full control over your workflows and data. Best for developers and advanced users, businesses needing complex automation, users who want full customization. Key differences. Number one, ease of use. Google Workspace Studio is much easier to use. You can create automation just by typing instructions in natural language. N8N, on the other hand, has a visual workflow builder but still requires some technical knowledge, so beginners will likely prefer Workspace Studio. Integrations. N8N clearly wins here. It supports hundreds of integrations and APIs, making it suitable for advanced automation across many platforms. Workspace Studio mainly focuses on Google Apps and a limited set of integrations. Flexibility. If you need powerful workflows, custom logic, or complex automation systems, N8N is far more flexible. Workspace Studio is designed mainly for simple internal automation with Google Workspace. Pricing. Workspace Studio is included with Google Workspace business plans. N8N offers both free self-hosting and paid cloud plans. Which one should you choose? Choose Google Workspace Studio if you use Google Workspace every day, if you want quick, simple automation, if you prefer a no-code AI solution. Choose n8n if you need advanced automation, if you want full control over workflows, if you are comfortable with technical tools. So in short, Workspace Studio is simpler while n8n is more powerful. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like and subscribe, share this video to your friend, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new about such programs or softwares. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.